Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Numeric Nest, and in this video we are going to find the limit of this question, and we have a limit x approach to 4 x square minus 7 times x plus 12 over x square minus 3 times x minus 4. So let's start. First of all, we directly apply limit, which is a x approach to 4. So this will become a 4 raised to the power 2 minus 7, multiply this by 4 plus 12 over denominator is a x square, which implies x and x approach to 4. We have a 4 square minus 3, multiply this by 4 minus 4. Now we simplify this. So 4 square is a 16, multiply 7 by 4, we get 28 plus 12 over 4 square is a 16, 3 multiply 4 is a 12 minus 4. Now 16 minus 28, which is equal to minus 12, and the next value is a plus 12. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4, and the next value is a minus 4. So minus 12 plus 12 is a 0, and the denominator is also 0. So we get 0 over 0 form, and you know that 0 over 0 form is the undefined form in limit. So this implies this method is not valid. So we find the limit of this question with another method. So for this we have a x approach to 4 x square minus 7 times x plus 12 over x square minus 3 times x minus 4. Look at the numerator and denominator. We have a quadratic equation. Look at this above equation. If we multiply the coefficient of first and this last constant, then we get plus 12, and our middle value is a minus 7. So we split this minus 7 into two values, so that if we multiply these two values, then we get plus 12, and if we add or subtract these two values, then we get minus 7. So we write this minus 7 as a minus 4 and minus 3. If we multiply, then we get plus 12, and if we add, then we get this minus 7. So we write this numerator as a x square minus 7x. We write this as a minus 4 times x minus 3 times x. We copy the last value, which is a plus 12. Now similarly we apply this strategy with denominator. If we multiply the coefficient of first and last constant, then we get negative 4, and our middle value is a minus 3. So we split this minus 3 into two values, such that if we multiply these two values, then we get minus 4. So we write this as a minus 4 and plus 1. If we multiply these two values, then we get this one, and if we add, then we get negative 3. So we write this as a x square minus 4 times x plus x minus 4. So this is a limit x approach to 4. Look at this first two term, x involved in this two term, so factor out, and remaining is x minus 4. Look at this last two term, 3 involved in this two terms, so we factor out minus 3, and the remaining is a x minus 4. Now look at this denominator. Look at this first two term, x involved in this two terms, so we factor out, and the remaining is a x minus 4. Look at this last two term, plus 1 involved in this two terms, so we factor out, and the remaining is x minus 4. Now we write this as a limit x approach to 4 x minus 3 multiply x minus 4 over x plus 1, multiply this by x minus 4. In the next step, this x minus 4 cancel, and the remaining value is a limit x approach to 4 x minus 3 over x plus 1. Now we apply limit as x approach to 4. So we have a 4 minus 3 over 4 plus 1, and this is a 1 over 5. So in our question, limit x sub rose to 4, x square minus 7 times x plus 12 over x square minus 3 times x minus 4 is equal to 1 over 5, and this is our answer.